All right, guys, listen, there's no doubt about it. Brokers are better. I'm about to give you 3 reasons why brokers are better. I think you already understand this, but if you don't understand this, a captive agent, right, is somebody who works for one carrier, right? A captive agent, I'll give you an example, right? In the state of Florida, most Florida Blue agents are Florida Blue only, right? Now, Florida Blue has a huge market share in Florida, so maybe that's not such a bad thing. But those Florida Blue agents can only sell Florida Blue products, right? Versus an independent or a broker, right? A broker is somebody that not just can shop all of your plans, right? Because I know there's people out there that pose as brokers because they can shop the plans on Health Sherpa or shop the plans on the marketplace. However, they cannot enroll you. And if they cannot enroll you, that's going to be a problem because they're not your agent of record. They cannot help you with your policy in the future, and that's going to be a big deal. So I'm going to give you 3 real quick reasons. If you're a captive agent, this is why you should be a broker, right? I'm going to give you 3 quick reasons as to why brokers are better. You ready? The first one is that, like I said, we can truly shop and enroll all plans. I have a thing that I do with my clients, right? At the end of the call, every single call when I'm solidifying the sale, right? In the cool down, whatever you want to call it, when I'm solidifying that sale, I'm saying, hey, Mr. Customer, you know, the last thing that I want you to let you know is that I'm a broker, right? I don't work for this carrier. I do recommend this carrier. I think they're the best carrier for your situation. But I want you to know that if you ever are approached or you find something better, know that if I don't already have access to it, I can gain access to it and enroll you. So I want to be your trusted source. If anybody approaches you with anything better, reach out to me. Let's compare apples to apples and see if we can A, either get you onto that plan that they're mentioning, or B, right, remind you why we chose what we chose. Because, and I'll also finish with that. I say because the important thing about what we did today is not necessarily what you have, but I want you to understand why you have it, right? And I know you've heard me say that before, right? So the first thing is that we can shop and enroll, guys, and enroll, not just shop the plans and tell you about it and then give you a number to call and enroll, but we can actually enroll you as well. Number 2, okay? Number 2, I'm gonna use my cheat sheet, right? Is we stay neutral. This is why it's so important to have a good income stream, right? A great income stream as an insurance agent, as an independent broker, because, man, if I'm hungry for that money, if I need the money, right? I heard an agent say this the other day. I can't afford to lose this sale, so I'll sell whatever I have to sell. Not good. Don't use that type of mentality. This is why it's important to have a steady income stream, right? Because when it comes time to help your client make that decision, whether you want to put them on this plan or that plan, you know in the back of your mind, don't tell me you don't. I know you know in the back of your mind that I would make a higher commission on this product than I would make this product. That will factor into the decision if you don't have a steady flow of income coming in. You will be able to remain more neutral, okay? Switzerland, you'll be able to kind of play the middle grounds, if you will. If you have a steady income stream, you'll be able to stay neutral, right? And then the last reason, the number 1 reason really, save the best for last, number 1 reason why you should leave your captive agency, okay? If you're a captive broker or a captive agent right now, leave them, become a broker. Here's why. Number 3, we can put the client first. We put client first. Now, I'm not saying that all captive agents are bad, right? I'm not saying that if you're a Florida Blue rep out there and you are captive with Florida Blue, you're not doing this, right? You're not putting the client first. But the difference between what I can do and what, again, let's say a Florida Blue agent can do is I can put the client first because I work with all the carriers, right? Florida Blue is one of the carriers we work with. Even though they're captive, right? We can still enroll somebody onto a Florida Blue plan. Right? So that is the last reason and the number 1 reason we put clients first. Of course, I've done a ton of videos about the commissions that we can make and the money that we can earn. So that does, that there is a certain part of you that may want to be a broker just because there's more income potential, right? You can sell every plan out there. However, these are the real reasons, okay, why you should consider, if you're captive, why you should consider becoming a broker, right? You can shop and enroll in all products, right? You can stay neutral. And lastly, and most important, you can put the client first. It's going to get you more business, get you more referrals. It's going to make you feel good. You're going to lay your head on the pillow at night and not have a problem sleeping because you know you're putting the client first. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, listen, if you're not starting a YouTube channel, you probably should. But if you are starting a YouTube channel, here's a video you need to check out.